Any airfield runway lighting that is installed at an airport is going to have to deal with the fact that it may become damaged, and it's going to get damaged by things hitting it. And so what we have is things that will break away at a set determined force before it ends up bending the conduit or bending the fitting that this is actually supported from. So these are cut back a significant depth here, you can see, and there's how we actually screw it into the lighting fixture like that. It's a threaded fitting. But what we'll often notice at airports is that there's going to be a lot of lawn maintenance because, well, these are out in an area where there's a big patch of grass in the middle of the airport, and there's also going to be snow clearing gear, like snow plows that go down the runway. And often the snow plows are quite large because they need to complete the pass in a very short period of time, and that's because, well, an airport never shuts down. And so because of that, often what will happen is the blade will be too far off the side of the runway and they will clip these lighting fixtures. And so by having a frangible fitting where it is intended or engineered to break away before we end up doing significant damage to this, or more importantly, break away if this is hit by an airplane, because really we don't want airplanes to suffer the most damage. We want this thing to suffer the damage, break away early, because we don't want the aircraft to, I don't know, like the fuselage or the wing to be ripped open and jet fuel everywhere and sparks. I mean, you can imagine there's all sorts of horrible stories. So this is intended to protect aircraft and also lessen the damage, the overall damage to equipment by having an engineered failure point.